Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2017 Triumph Street Scrambler. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Right, let's go and have a close look at this Triumph. It is HPI clear. It does also have a spare key in the book pack. It's only one owner from new, and it does have full service history as well. So we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around. So let's have a look over on this left hand side. Get a look at the front wheel. It does have ABS brakes on it. Let's move over and get a good look over the left hand side. As you can see, the tank there, which is in a dark metallic red and silver. Very nice. Let's get a look all over this side. Get a good look at the engine. It is a Bonneville 900 engine that's in this. And this one also does have a centre stand as well as the side stand. Let's get a good look at the back brake and the back wheel. And let's have a look over on the seat. And get a look over the top of the tank. And we'll move over, get a look at the back of the bike. And we'll move around to the right hand side now. This is also data tagged as well, this bike. So let's have a look at the engine on this side. Get a good look at the exhaust. Get a look at the back wheel from this side. The chain and sprocket. You can see there's the data tag on the frame. Let's get a good close look, low down on this. And let's finish by looking at the front wheel from the right hand side. And what we'll do, we'll go up and have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's get a look at the controls. So obviously you've got your brake, your throttle, your kill switch and starter, and your hazard warning lights on this side. And over on the other side we've got the clutch, lights, indicators, horn and the information button on the dash. So we'll turn the dash on, let's get the miles off it. Just flick through these. So it's done 5,040 miles. So low mileage. Just flick through these so you can see the actual menus. I'm just pressing this information button on the left hand side. So there's your miles per gallon, how far until you need to fill up, It's got the clock on it, rev counter on it, so it's got traction control as well, so the traction control is on, and ABS is on as well, so both of those can be switched off. And there you go. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see in particular, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.